I know there's a Target nearby. There's a Target. So yeah, we were listening to Hannah Montana, Party in the USA. We're gonna charge this thing to 100. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be reviewing, driving, moving in a Tesla Model 3. Right there. We are renting it on the Turo app. Oh, did I introduce myself? My name is James. Just me, James. Nothing crazy. If you like vlogs, reviews, gaming, macaroni and cheese, we will not have macaroni and cheese on this channel, but we have everything else. Subscribe. So I forgot the camera, so I will not be vlogging and documenting the trip down to St. Pete, but I will be vlogging and documenting the trip back from St. Pete to Jacksonville to return the car. So that's gonna be fun. Should be cool. I gotta wait, I think 21 more minutes. I gotta wait until 9:30. We're early. It's currently 9:19 a.m. Early bird catches the worm. So I'm gonna be driving, going back and putting everything else in the Tesla. Not this stuff, I have other crap moving out of Jacksonville to back to St. Pete. So that's gonna be fun. This is only a minute long. I feel like I've been talking for hours, so I need to get comfortable talking to myself. That's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be talking to myself, and we're gonna be in the Tesla Model 3. And we're back. We're charging the car. Road trip. First time charging it. Let's go in the car. Let's go in the car. We're in a McDonald's. We can go to McDonald's. Target? No, there's a Target nearby. I know there's a Target nearby. There's a Target. So yeah, we were listening to Hannah Montana, Party in the USA. We're gonna charge this thing to 100. So yeah, right now it's only 88 cents. Like what? So cheap to charge. It's a pair of gas. So this should take, how long should this take to charge? I don't know how long this is going to take to charge. 11 minutes. Oh, 11 minutes. It says 11 minutes. So it's gonna take 11 minutes. So that means I can watch like a YouTube video or something. Yo, we're taking a break on the drive, and we got steak and shake. So we got a triple stack burger, mayo, ketchup, mustard, lettuce, tomato, pickle, onion, no side, because I don't like steak and shake fries. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not Checkers. It's not Checkers. The fries ain't good. You know what I'm saying? Checkers has the best fries in the game. If you know any other place with fries besides Chick-fil-A fries are okay. You know, I work there, so I yeah, you know. I know plastic bags flying all over the place. Plastic pollution. Yeah, the burger looks like a burger. God, no. See that burger? Yeah, food. Tesla just got done charging it. So yeah, almost there. Chilling. It is 2:20, so hour later because charging, but like break. Yeah. Back to St. Pete, and we're back in St. Pete. So I forgot to record the drive back to Jacksonville. Went good. Update. PlayStation 5. Check out that video. Focus? Autofocus? There you, hey, look at that. So yeah, autofocus is good. So yeah, we got the PlayStation 5. Cool. We're back in St. Pete. Moved in. As you can tell. We got a cool background. Yeah, we got this. Probably put some decorations here. Oh, yeah, my opinion of the Tesla. I think it's cool. Probably would recommend a longer range model for a longer drive. So if you're doing road trips, the longer range model is or may not be worth it. It was cool to take stops at like Wawa and charge up
the car and physically like get food, use the bathroom. Yeah, check out this sunrise real quick. And I'll be back in Jacksonville for the outro of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh my God! Look at this sunrise. Doesn't look as good as in real life. It looks better in real life. It looks better in real life. Trust me, it looks way better in real life. The sunrise. The sunrise. The sunrise. Oh, out the way! Oh no! And we're back with the outro or the intro of the video. I don't know. Hey, either way, this is the last time we're gonna be in the shitty house in Jacksonville. Say goodbye to Jacksonville, guys. Let's get this room that is nice echoey. Boom. So yeah, you can hear echo. So nothing in it. Nothing. Literally nothing. Everything moved out. And wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. He's played beyond this room. Wow. Right there. Boom. Go to the kitchen. Boom. 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 One roach. What? Two roach. Yeah, this place sucks. Hate it. Garbage. Happy to move out. Back in St. Pete, Florida. Hot weather. So yeah, until the next time, or like, comment, subscribe, intro the video. Yeah, that was cool. Tesla, dope. Watch that video.